Hi, this is Jack Hickey, Maritime trial attorney. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Concepcion tragedy off the coast of California and what's going on. First of all, number one, maritime law in the United States governs this. And so maritime practitioners, there's only a handful, frankly, in the country that really specialize in maritime law. I'm one of them, for better or for worse. And what's going on now procedurally is that the owners have already gone to federal court. It was about over a week ago. They went to federal court and they filed a case. They filed a case, right? The owners have filed a case. And the case that the owners filed is asking the federal court to limit their liability, limit the amount that they would have to pay to everybody, to limit that liability to the value of the vessel. Now get that, the value of the vessel. The value of the vessel is zero right now. The vessel is a burned out hulk it's actually a wooden hulled vessel, but it's just, there's not a whole lot left of it. It's a horrible tragedy. But this is where it's strictly a maritime thing, and maritime practitioners know about this. Some of them do. I do. I've been involved in El Faro, which is the freighter that went down in the Bahamas. It's with all 32 people on board. Horrible tragedy, sailed right into a hurricane and is now in 15,000 feet of water. There's a limitation of liability action there filed in federal court. I was involved in recently in a recreational boating situation where they filed a limitation of liability act for that. But we were successful in both cases in getting what is all the recovery under the insurance that was available on one, and the other millions of dollars. So they've started the process, and this is something where, you know, I urge everybody. I mean, I'm not saying you have to hire me. If you don't want to, that's fine. That's your choice. But you've got to hire a maritime practitioner, and you've got to hire somebody that knows what they're doing. It's absolutely key. It's shocking, frankly, to me, that they ran into court, rushed into court so soon to start the process. They didn't have to. They had 6 months from when they were aware or given notice of claims out there, but they just went right in right away, which to me, it's like adding insult to injury to these families. But the good news is there are exceptions, and let's get this sorted out.